Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. This is Silmyi again from Geeks another episode of Geeks IRL. And today, in the hot sun, in Cradle Live, Asan Startup Summit, I got the very, what do you call it, glowing Dr. Nabilah Ramli from Durible. Okay, this is something new. Tell me about Durible.
Yes, it is. Thanks, Silmyi, for stopping by at our booth. And I know you got intrigued
Itulah.
by our product here.
Is this your product or is this just a sample?
This is the sample.
Okay.
Yeah, we want to showcase what and how you can reimagine the next life, the new life of durian skin.
Right.
Right.
I mean, Malaysians all love durian.
Yes.
That one we know.
But they throw away the skin.
The skin it gets thrown away.
Yeah.
So now you are recycling the durian skin to become a material.
A material. So it's a bio-composite material.
Okay.
Right. And we make it into the filament.
All right.
Yeah. So this is the filament, and the filament then
so
can be used
from
here to here,
3D printing,
and then goes into the 3D printing.
Okay.
And
we have all these products.
Yes. And you can make it into like this pot here. This is also
okay. Super.
Yes. Kitty cat.
Okay. What else? But this is interesting. This is this is a can opener.
Can opener.
All right.
And also a fridge magnet.
Okay.
And that's the keychain. So this is actually the tool. This is one for our client. So they want to have a representation of their tool as a merchandise for their clients.
So tell me, this is durian husk.
Oh, so this one is a plant-based plastic.
Okay.
So apart from durian-based filaments, we also work with, this is wood-based. This is wood-based. And this is plant-based plastics.
Can you put colors on it? On the
Yeah, for the plant-based plastic, yes. You have multiple colors. Yeah.
So let's backtrack a little bit because I know we work with you on Constellation Ventures.
Yes.
So that's why you are one of our wonderful clients. Okay. Kat situ dia purple. Kat lain semua dia hijau dengan orange kan. But tell me, how did Durible... Actually, I know the story lah. You tell us, how did this whole idea come up?
The idea for the Durible.
Yeah.
Okay. Because a lot of people are working with bioplastics, and when it comes to commercialization, it's really hard to scale.
Yep.
Because we always like position it as a replacement for single-use plastic.
Yep.
But the thing is, when you want to repurpose it to replace the single-use plastic, the cost is the barrier.
Yep.
To produce the bio-based bio-composite like this, the cost is quite high. But then when you make it like items that is quite common, the value of the ESG is not being highlighted.
Okay.
Yeah, because like it's not just a biocomposite. Because for this one, to make this one set of coaster, we help avoid one fruit of durian skin.
Okay.
To be
this one or this four together is what?
All four together.
Okay, it's one durian lah.
Yeah, one durian.
So biji durian ni.
It's a biji durian, and we help avoid from ending up in the landfill.
Yep.
Yeah.
So far, who have been your main takers? I mean, I'm sure supply not a problem.
Supply is not a problem.
Supply not a problem.
Yeah.
Malaysia ni jangan cerita lah.
Yeah.
But in terms of demand, who are your main customers right now?
Right. Our main customers are definitely the corporates because they usually go to exhibitions and they want, sometimes the corporates, they have like the ESG story with them. But when it comes to corporate gifting, it's always something like it's very generic, something that you can get like.
So that's the immediate use case so far,
immediate
the
use
corporate
case.
gifting.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, tell me in terms of moving forward, what are your plans?
Okay, we are targeting because next year is the Tahun Melawat Malaysia. And do you know that the beruang matahari?
Yes, the sunbed.
The sunbed loves to eat durian.
Okay.
So
how's the connection there?
Sunbed is durian.
Okay.
We help recycle the durian waste.
Okay. Not recycle the sunbed lah.
Not recycle the sunbed. Sunbed is very cute looking sunbed. Next one, I think we will create one sunbed. Yeah, sunbed with the durian skin.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think in terms of tourism value, I think we can always create a narrative around it, durian, and then put it at the gift shops. But in terms of how, are you still going to focus on corporate, or are you planning to kind of expand it?
Mainly, I mean, we are still focusing. I mean, we're trying to go B2B. So exactly, I mean, next the industry that we are trying to explore is the tourism itself, hospitality. Yeah.
So a little bit about why you're here at the Cradle Live Asan Summit ni.
Yeah,
How did Durible get dragged into this?
because I know our product is very unique.
Ah,
And here you can see that, and I think even in the world, this is the first product that is being produced from
Alright,
durian waste.
alright, alright.
And it's something, and I think Cradle see its uniqueness.
You guys are a recipient of one of your grants, ke?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not
Soon,
yet.
eh?
Soon.
Okay, okay.
So Cradle, please.
Come on, first in the world. Come on.
Yeah, but this is a ASEAN event, so because
Yeah, yeah.
Malaysia is the third largest exporter of the durian, so we
I
have
thought we were the largest. No, ah.
no, we
Oh.
have Thailand and Indonesia.
But okay lah. But we're the best quality, right?
But we are the best
Yeah,
quality.
that one I know. Okay,
But
okay,
in
okay.
terms of the durian skin waste, I mean, we love to explore into Thailand and also into Indonesia, so that we can remove a lot more durian skin from the
Right.
landfill.
I mean, it's got regional potential to
Yes, it
to kind of
is.
grow. And in terms of the facility and all that, is it your own or are you kind of partnering up with anybody?
Right. Currently, we are working with Professor Hazlin
Okay.
from UIA. So
Alright.
he has a lab. So most of the production is being done there. So yeah, of course, we are looking to partners
Mm.
that can partner up with us, especially in the processing side, the extrusion part. Yeah.
So from a technical point of view, is this better than your normal plastic filament?
Uh,
I mean, it's better, of course, because it's natural. That one,
Yes.
of course.
Yeah.
But in terms of properties lah,
In terms
is
of
it durable? Is it
Alright.
color? You know, benda-benda macam tu?
Yeah. So I think in terms of the performance is quite similar to another widely used 3D filament, which is the PLA.
Okay.
Yeah.
What
So
does
on
PLA
par.
stand for?
Tak remember lah.
Tak ingat
The,
lah.
like,
Okay,
yeah,
tak
the
apa.
scientific
Nanti
name.
kita Google up lah. Oh, scientific lah.
PLA. Yeah.
Okay, okay. But okay, tell me very quickly as we wrap up. I think we're in a very crowded place and people are walking all over the
Yeah.
place. So tell me what's next for Durable and also maybe what's next for Constellation as well.
Okay, what's next? Next, we are looking to raise fund.
Okay?
Yep. So hopefully we manage to secure our first round of funding, and
Right,
you get to
Amin.
see,
Okay.
and you get to see more of
Nice.
durable items
Okay.
available to you guys.
How do we get more information about Durable?
Okay, you can go to our LinkedIn page.
LinkedIn.
Yeah. So you just search for Durable and contact me.
Look up.
Look
Yeah,
up-
Constellation, look
So
up Dr. Nabilah Ramli.
yes,
And-
yeah, we are partnering with Constellation Ventures. So
Okay.
Constellation is our partner in disruption. And if you are interested to know more about us, you can contact us at disrupt@constellation.my.
Oh, I see quote as well.
Yes, what is our first customer?
All right. I
Yeah.
think Bengis will also be your customer soon.
And you can
Inshallah.
see here at the back. This
Okay. The carbon footprint. is
yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
Represent 3.63 kilogram of CO2 avoided.
Okay. So let's keep in touch.
Sure.
Tell me what's happening with Durable.
Sure.
And bye everyone. Until the next time.